Hi, this is John with Hilbrands Carpet Care. Here's a typical half-finished picture we might post on Facebook with the clean area next to the dirty area. But let me show you actually how we get there. So here's the video of that picture, and you can see how hard he's working. You can also see the high steam coming off the end of the wand. A lot of companies don't have heaters in the truck. They'll use a heat exchanger instead. We also have pre-worked this carpet with a rotary brush. That added $15 a room, but you only do it on 2 or 3 rooms in a house, like we did in this room. So it didn't add that much to the bill, but you can see how much better it comes out. In fact, let me show you this picture again. That is just amazing how much crud is coming off of that edge. My assistant worked this carpet with that scrubber very nicely, making sure it came out perfect. And he actually said, I want to run the wand here because he wanted to see how nice it would come clean. And he did a very nice job, and I'm very proud of him. So by doing all that power scrubbing and then steaming it pure water, we actually have 0 residue on the finished carpet. Let me show you the end video of this picture of this carpet. You can see how nice and clean it came out. And also the grout line, when we overlap the tile, you can see even the dirt was coming off of the tile there. We are doing the tile on this job, and he's also, because I was doing another room, steam cleaning the carpet, he's pre-worked this tile before I got to it. So the whole job was only about 3.5 hours, but the transformation was amazing. Let me show you this tile now after it was cleaned. Tile cleaning is 40 cents a square foot. There was no additional for how dirty it was. I think they had 500 or 600 square feet, so about $240 for the tile cleaning. Here's the clean tile in the foreground, and all that dirty tile grout line you can see under my hoses. And then this might be a picture that we would put on Facebook, but you can see how we actually got to that picture. It wasn't just snapping our fingers and it was done. It took some process. It took knowing how to clean. But it didn't take a lot of money. We're probably the lowest price company in Temecula, and we're also, I think, one of the best. So if you're in the Temecula area, you can give us a call. This has been John with Hilbrands Carpet Care. Thank you.